Hi guys, what's happening? What's poppin'? I hope you guys had a really good week. I had a good week. It was not like exciting, but it was good. Like I was happy. Kudala ndikuwa guys. Disakuwa kunangoku, but it's not that bad, and we're gonna talk about umgowo, part of umgowo now. And I'm pretty sure a lot of you have been dealing with the same thing. So yeah, so we are going to talk about crushes, and just those crushes in our in our 20s, you know. So yeah, I'm in my mid-20s and I really do not understand why I am still having crushes. Like, I don't get it. I don't understand why God did not give us a disabled function for that after 21. Because, you know, ukugowa guys goes on umuntu who's not even like there. Like, guys, it's ridiculous. I have a crush on someone who, one, does not even know I exist. Two, lives a bajillion, that is not even a word, but he lives a bajillion like kilometers away from me. Other people would say miles away from me, but yeah, he lives so far. So, but that's one of the best things about having this crush, and I'm lucky that in my 20s I've had crushes on people who are like far from me, because high school is hard. So yeah, you know what, having a crush on someone that you get to bump into almost every week or every day is shame. Yes, no. My crush is like a bajillion kilometers away from me. My crush is I'm a number. Good crush, guys. You know, in the like yeah, I'm basically a number. You know, in the army when like the people have a number, yeah, I'm a number. So yeah, I've had a crush on this guy for a while now, and he's really sweet from what I've seen. We will not mention names because, in the words of Tembi of Pop Culture, names are expensive. Don't play around with names here. Yeah. So yeah, I really think my crush is a beautiful man. You guys should see his lips. God can create. Hey, God, your hand is beautiful. So yeah, I've had a crush on this guy for a while now, and I really, luckily for me, I'm phasing out of the I can't even breathe when I see you phase of the crush. And I really enjoyed having a crush on this guy because I had a friend to talk together. Oh, guys, it is so nice when you go, like if you're going through something, like you have a friend that you can lean on. Guys, if you didn't know, my name means lean on. So do you? Yes. So yeah, I had a friend to lean on, guys. Oh, shout outs to my friend Lusanda, guys. I love her. She's my fave, my absolute fave. She was my rock, even when I was dealing with other things, guys. My friend has been there. Like, she's legit. Okay, since high school, guys. Lusanda's been, yeah. So then I go daughter, guys. So every time we go and Lusanda, I'm like, babe, yeah, go. So yeah, like, it's so nice to go through the most with someone that you love, someone that you know, and just have someone to talk to so that you can just cleanse yourself of umgowo. So yeah, Lusanda was like my cleansing Nansika. Yeah. So she knows where I come from with this crush. Like, she knows the times I was like, yo girl, I got into faint. I can't breathe. Yeah, guys, crushes will have you going through everything. Guys, in your mid-20s, yes, I don't think we should be going through this now. Mid-20s, it's really frustrating. But it's life. So guys, I like my crush. I like my crush. He's cute. I'm happy that I am phasing out of the crush phase now. Like my soul, I've been go over. Now I'm not going as much. I'm adapting to my new world of seeing him and thinking this is a beautiful man. Which I'm very happy about, guys. I don't like crushes. I don't like having a crush on someone. Now I'm not going to be like, oh my gosh, I can't breathe. No. I'm like, hi babes, unjani. Yeah, I think I'm going to be those girls who are like, hello, unjani. You look good. Like, be like, and I'll mean it, like, okay, not that I wouldn't mean you look good, but like, I'll be like, you look good, and not feel awkward about it, because I mean, crush, guys, yes, goisa. Yo, it's goisa, a crush is a goisa. Uti we finish, and uti kwanguwe, you don't get sick of that person, you get sick of yourself going through the most, and this person is just not acknowledging you. And I think that's my biggest frustration with the crush, guys. Excuse me. When I have a crush on you, I want you to acknowledge my existence. I hope you guys understand what I'm saying. I'm not saying must be good be, but acknowledge me. I mean, acknowledge me in the sense that you be like, ooh, you have a crush on me? Oh, okay. Like, I see you. Like, I'm not ready to be like that with anyone, or I don't like you like that, but like, I see you. Like, acknowledge my existence. But yeah, how do they get to acknowledge your existence when they don't even know who you are, or they just don't even know that we are Goa because we crush? But yeah, I think now we should just have screens on our faces, which is not gonna happen. Duh. Like, I'm just saying, if I was a robot, I would be so happy if every time a crush sees me, my head tells it, Oyama has a crush on you, Oyama has a crush on you, Oyama has a crush on you. But that would not help anyone. It would not mess up everything. But yeah, it's part of life. It's a learning curve. It's part of growing. And I really like, and I know, guys, even older people get crushes, like our moms and dads and aunts and uncles, our older cousins, they still have crushes even when they're married. Please trust. But they choose to love the people that they love, the people that they're married to. They choose every day to love those people and continue loving those people. So yeah, I'm pretty sure there's some of you out there who are going through the most too with their crushes. But it's okay. It's okay, guys. It's okay. Like, it's part of growing. I just like the fact that my crush follows me, so. on Instagram. That. Do you like it? Yo, guys, when I got that follow, yo. Oh, guys, crushes will take all the energy out of you. Crush is out. And yeah, but but it's life, guys, and it's a beautiful thing. So I go cool. So yeah, tell me about your crush. Don't mention names. Like I said, names are expensive. Tell me what you're going through. Like, do you feel like in our 20s we shouldn't be having crushes? That's how I feel. Excuse me. And yeah, is your crush close by? Do you see your crush every day? Are you still going through the utmost when you see your crush, or are you just like me, just phasing out and becoming like normal? So yeah, guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you guys related to the nonsense that I talk to, because sometimes I feel like I talk nonsense. But some people love me for it, so yeah, enjoy your weekend. Be cool, be vibey, be awesome. Love and respect you guys. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye. Guys, I don't get how my crush is not acknowledging me. Like, I'm not saying I'm a 10, but like, I mean, guys, some people say I have my mom's structure, so that is a good thing, right? So, I mean, guys, crush babe, hello. I'm not saying I want to be a babe, but like, I mean,